My name is Sam Willingham. I'm a registered cardiac sonographer and a registered vascular sonographer. I've been a sonographer for about 6 years. Today we're working on the Mindray Z60, and the transducer we're using is the 7L4P. And I'm going to show you guys how to use the dual screen. So let's get our picture. Let me adjust my depth a little bit. So I like this. So now I'm going to press dual. I want this. So now let's put a little color in this one. Let's adjust my color box. So I'm going to show the still image and the image with color, so the doctor can see side by side the vessel without color and the vessel with color. And then I'm going to acquire the image. So when you press dual image, first what will happen is you'll get one side of the screen that comes up. You get your image how you want it, and you press dual image again, and then the right side of the screen becomes live. And then if you want to toggle back and forth, you just go back and forth like this. So I'm going to come back out, just kind of give you a recap. So we get our image. I like the image. I'm going to press dual screen. I'll put a little color over here. Alright, so then I can toggle back and forth. Then I can acquire my image. That is how you use the dual image. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time.